Hi, so today we are covering brows. To start, I am applying glue with back and forth motions on my brows. Make sure to apply it aggressively to make sure that each and every hair strand is coated. Next, I'm combing my brows upward to spread and flatten them out easily. Next thing I do is flip the comb to brush the hairs upwards with the excess glue. Onto my other brow, and I'm just making sure that everything is flattened out. While it's still tacky, you can set it with translucent powder. Make sure to press the powder in so that the glue could absorb the powder and so that it's going to be easier to dry. So I layer on the glue at least 2 times, and now I am cleaning up the excess with a wet cotton or a tissue. After I set it with powder, I took a decent amount of glue and put it at the back of my hand, as you can see here. And then I'm going to be spreading that on my brows like peanut butter. I stand by this step because it cancels out the texture of the hair. And I actually got this technique from Pearl from season 7 of Drag Race, and it works for me ever since I've tried it. Is canceling out the texture using water. And what I love about this glue is that it's water soluble, so if you put water, it will cancel all the bumps. Again, while it's still tacky, you can press it with powder so that the glue would absorb the powder. We are almost done. I am just slathering on a heavy coverage concealer. Now I'm covering it more with liquid foundation, and I'm blending that using my fingers to melt the product easily. As you can see, I am blending it more with a sponge. And there you go. You can use this for drag, cosplay, name it. Till next time.